Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a light classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later for my college, I get to know about XLR and I enroll in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge here. They're not only focusing on study, they are also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, Excella.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you XLR for giving these courses. I learned a lot of from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XL for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything
Hello. Hello. Team, can you talk with me? Can you please revise last class topics? Whatever the topics we discussed in a last session. Can you please help me which topic we discussed in the last class? Whatever the different topics we discussed in the last class. Can you please help me? Please chat with me, students. Whatever the topics we completed, please try to chat with me. Anyone? Please try to chat with me. What are the different topics we completed in the last session? Nagesh, stacks completed, na? Completed or not completed stack? Anyone, students, please reply. I need the clarity from you. How many topics we completed in the last session? Stacks are completed. Reply, team, reply. Linked list also completed, na? HOD. Who is the HOD? Like, sir, I think linked list has it also completed, na? Not completed, sir. Has that not completed? Maybe I done with the whole 2-pointer logic, na? Okay. One example. Okay, fine. Maybe, sir. Maybe at the end I told one example. Maybe, sir. No issue. Fine. Sir, can I implement Q logic? Q logic with our own implementation? Fine. For example, I will tell the Q. I will tell the Q here and try to say this one. So this is the Q. Whatever we have, this one we can call the Q. Whatever we have, this one we can call the Q. Fine. Say this one. Q follows which principle? Q follows which principle? Chart with me. Q follows which principle? At least one person here. Q follows which principle? FIFO. First in, first out. For example, we entered the 10. Assume this one. We entered the 10 here. We entered the 10 here. So what happened? The 10 is the first out or not? The 10 only first out. So then this one we can call FIFO. First in, first out principle. So whatever the element inserted initially, first that element will be popped. So that is called as the Q. Basically, the Q will work with one principle. The principle we can call the FIFO principle. The Q contain two positions. One is the rear position, another thing is the front position. One is the rear position, next one is the front position, next one is the size also. Fine. Yeah, team, can I go through our own coding? Will you do along with me? Will you people do along with me? Reply, or at least please reply. At least you people need to reply to me. Fine. Now try to say this one. No need to place it up. Fine. Say this one. Is it possible to create one more class? Team, is it possible to create one more class? Can I create more than one class? Reply. I'm expecting the reply from you. Can we create more than one class? Yes or not? Yes, we are able to create more than one class. Try to create another class again. Class MyQ. Class, here we need to place the MyQ. Take 4 instance variables. We need to take 4 instance variables. How we can take? Private, which one? Int size. So size of the queue. Next one here. Private int friend. Private int friend. Private int rare. Private int rare here. Automatically we need to take the rare also. Fine. Take the queue also. How to take the queue? Private into array. Which one we need to take queue? Automatically we are able to take the queue also. And automatically we are able to create one separate class. Team, what is the name of the class? Can you people tell me what is the name of the class? MyQ. MyQ contain how many variables? 4 variables. What is the first variable? Size variable. What is the second variable? Front variable. What is the third variable? Rear variable. What is the another variable? Q variable. Okay, na? So we need to initialize. To initialize, what we need to create? In order to initialize, we need to create a constructor. Simply, we need to take the constructor. With the help of constructor, we are able to initialize it. So how to take the constructor? Here we should be in a position, we need to take the public, public which one? MyQ. MyQ, next one, here we need to place the public MyQ. Next one is the into capacity. Here we should be in a position, we need to place the into capacity. Fine. Next one, whatever the capacity we have, that capacity we need to store to size variable. How we can store to size variable? Will you people tell me how we can store to size variable? Size equal to capacity. Size equal to, we should be in a position, we need to place the capacity. Fine. Now dynamically we will pass the, dynamically we are able to pass the capacity. This capacity stored to where? Size. This size we need to pass to whom? Q itself. How we can pass to Q here? Q equal to, Q equal to, Q equal to, here we should be in a position, new int array. New int array of which one we need to pass? We need to pass the size. Simply we need to pass the size again. Next one, there we need to pass the front equal to what? Front equal to 0. And here we need to pass what? Rear equal to 0. Front equal to 0. Next one is the rear equal to 0 here. Here we should be in a position, we need to pass the front equal to 0. And here we should be in a position, we need to pass the rear equal to 0 here. Fine. We can pass it. Fine. Team, please try to do up to now. What is the name of the class? Can anyone tell me what is the name of the class? Reply. At least one person need to reply. What is the name of the class? The name of the class is the MyQ. Everyone need to tell MyQ. Fine. Here, how many instance variable we have? 4. One is the size, another thing is the front, and another thing is the rear, and another thing is the Q. Fine. This capacity we will pass dynamically. This capacity store to size. Initially, Q is empty. How we can tell Q is empty? With the help of front equal to 0, rear equal to 0, front equal to 0, and rear equal to 0. Simply we can call Q is empty. Do the coding up to now. Do the coding up to now. I'm requesting you people, please do the coding up to now. Everyone. I'm requesting you people, please do the coding up to now. Done now? Fine. Can I do the Enqueue operation, like inserting the data? Can I do, or can I wait for the 5 more minutes? Can I do the coding, or can I wait for the 5 more minutes? Reply. Can I continue, or can I wait for the 5 more minutes? Anshika, nothing, Anshika. You are asking, explain again. Nothing, Anshika. Anshika, what is the name of the class? MyQ. To implement queue operation. To implement queue operation, we created the 4 variables. Anshika, to implement queue operation, we created 4 variables. First one, size. Next one, front variable. Next one, rear variable. Next one is the queue. We created the 4 variables. Whatever the variables are there, we created the 4 variables. So these 4 variables we wanted to initialize. We wanted to initialize. How we can initialize? With the help of constructor. So this capacity we will pass dynamically like a 5. That 5 stored to where size. This is size stored to where queue itself. That size of stored to queue itself. Now the capacity of the queue is 5. We are able to store 5 element. Anshika, are you okay? Anshika, what is the name of the class? MyQ. Contain how many variables? Contain how many variables? 4 variables. How to initialize? With the help of constructor. Fine. Now try to see this one, and here we need to go for the one more thing here. We need to go for the which one? Enqueue. Here we need to go for the which one here? Enqueue operation. We should be in a position we need to go for the Enqueue operation. Enqueue operation in the sense inserting the data. Fine. Yeah. Anshika, see this one, for example, this one we can call the front position, this one we can call the rear position. Rear equal to size. We can say Q is full. For example, check this one. Public, which one? Wide, public wide, which one we need to place in Q? Public wide Enqueue here. Here, which one we need to pass into data? Simply, we need to pass the into data. If rear equal to which one? Size. So if rear equal to size, then we can say the queue is full. Whatever the queue we have, that queue is full here. So how we can place it here? Println of which one you wanted to place? Queue. Queue is full. Simply we need to pass queue is full. Queue is full. Else whatever the data we have, that data we need to place with the queue rear position. Whatever the data we have, that data we need to place the queue rear position. How we can place queue rear position? Fine. Team, can you tell me how we can place with the queue rear position? Queue, which position? Queue, which position? Rear position. Rear equal to what you want to place? Data. After placing the element, we need to increment the rear value now. Yes, we should be in a position, we need to increment the rear value. Okay. Now, here what you want to place? Print element added to which one? Queue successfully. Element added to queue successfully. So which element? The element is the data. Here we should be in a position, we need to place the data here. Fine. Now, so this is the way to implement the Enqueue operation. Whatever the operation we have, this operation we can call Enqueue operation. Fine. Now, like Yogesh, just like a security purpose, not more than that one. Yogesh, just like a security purpose, not more than that one. Fine. Anushka, see this one. If rear, this is the rear equal to size of array. Rear equal to size of array, then we can say Q is full. Anshika, okay na? For example, else queue ready to coming to the queue ready to add the element. If we want to add the element, whatever the data we have, that data we need to add it to rare position. After adding the data, we need to increment the rare. How we can increment the rare? Rare plus plus. Now, so team, let me create the object to the my queue. How to create an object to the my queue here? How we can create here? How we can create here my queue? My queue equal to which one? New my queue. Automatically we are able to create an object to the my queue here. Fine. While creating the object, we need to pass the file. Anshika, at least you need to understand the flow now. Anshika, this is the file now. That a file store to where? Anshika, that a file store to where? Capacity. That capacity store to where? Size. That a size store to where? Array. So finally, the queue, whatever the queue we have, this is the queue. The size of this queue is the 5. Remember that one, Anshika. You need to remember that one here. And another thing. And one more thing is Anshika, I'm explaining again. This 5 store to where? Capacity. This capacity store to where? Size. This size we pass it to whom? Array. Finally, the capacity of this array is 5. Remember that point. Fine. Now, and we need to perform Enqueue operation. So, how we can perform the Enqueue operation here? We should be in a position, we need to perform the Enqueue operation. Where we need to press a semicolon? Capacity. Where we need to press a semicolon here. Now, how to perform Enqueue operation? Q dot Enqueue. Enqueue dot 10. Automatically, we can enter the data. Whatever the data we have, that data we need to enter. Element added to queue successfully. Now add another element. We should be in a position, we need to add the 20, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now try to see this one. Which one? 20, 30, 40, 50. Automatically we are able to add the element here. Like 10 added, 20 added, 30 added, 40 added, and 50 added here. Now try to add the 60. We need to add the 60. Is it possible to add the 60 here? No, we are unable to add the 60. Finally, what is the message? We're able to see queue is full. Fine. Team, I'm requesting you please execute the code up to now. I'm requesting you people need to execute the code up to now. Everyone, I'm requesting you people please execute the code up to now. Everyone needed to complete up to now. To achieve the security here, to achieve the security. Anshika, that is a rule of Q. Anshika, that is a rule. That is a rule of Q. Anyone completed? Team, can I continue? Can I continue? Can I continue or do I need to wait? Which operation completed successfully? Enqueue. How many members completed? Can you please raise your hand? Raise the thumbs up symbol. How many members are able to complete? Fine. Now try to say this one. We need to go through the one more example. Which example? Dequeue operation. We need to go through the one more operation. Which operation? Dequeue operation. Fine. How to perform dequeue operation? Public void. Which one? Dequeue. Public void dequeue. So, for example, you people need to tell friend equal to rare. Q friend equal to rare. So, what is the meaning? If friend equal to rare, what do you call? Q is empty. Simply we need to place println. Println, here we should be in a position. Here we should be in a position. You need to place Q is empty. Else, we need to remove the element from the front. We need to remove the element from the front. So how to remove? Here we should be in a position. We need to remove the element from the front. How we can remove? Q of which one? Front. Into removed element. But how to remove? Simply we need to go for the front plus plus. Front plus plus in the sense automatically we're able to remove the element here. Fine. Here print it. How we can print it? We should be in a position we need to print it. How we can print it? Here println. Println. Here we need to place the removed element. Removed element plus what you wanted to place removed element. Simply we should be in a position we need to place removed element. Which function we need to call? Which function we need to call? We should be in a position we need to call one function. Which function? Dequeue function. How we can call the dequeue function? Answer team, you need to answer. Q dot which one? Dequeue. Q dot dequeue. Automatically we are able to call the dequeue function. So which one is removed? 10 is removed. Call 5 times. 10 removed, 20 removed, 40 removed, 50 removed. Fine. Try to remove it again. We need to remove it again. Yeah. Now, what is the answer? Q is empty. Q is empty. We are unable to remove it. Fine. I'm requesting you please do this one also. Dequeue operation also. Dequeue operation also. I'm requesting everyone please do the dequeue operation also. Team, once done, give the confirmation. I'm requesting you people once if you people done, give the confirmation to me. Whoever completed, please raise the thumbs up symbol. Then we need to go for another example. Once if you people done, give the confirmation to me. Team Chapali, once done, let me know. Once a few people completed, let me know. Anyone completed? Please raise the thumbs up symbol, then I need you to wait. Can I continue? Can I continue, team? Let me continue. For example, here, now just let me create the ready-made method. So fine. Here I wanted to create check empty. Here I need to check empty. How we need to check the empty here? Here how we need to check the empty here? Public boolean is empty. Public boolean is empty here. Here we should be in a position we need to place the is empty. Fine. Here return size equal to 0. Return size equal to 0. Then this method is used to find out the like is it empty or not. Check from your end also we need to check it again. Here how we need to check it. Here println q dot is empty. Run the code. What's the message we are getting? False now. Here what is the message we are getting? The message is the false. So it is used to check is it empty or not. Fine. Next one. Check it whether it's a full or not. I need to check whether it is a full or not. We need to check it. How we need to check it? Team, can you tell me how to check it here? Where is the code? Fine. How to check the code? We need to check the code. How we need to check the code? Not only that one. If return, here we can place like this also. Friend equal to. Friend equal to what? Friend equal to rare. Friend equal to rare. Here we can place the friend equal to rare also. That is also right. Not only size, that is also right here, not an issue. Simply we need to place it. See this one team meaning. True in the sense, for example, true in the sense what? True in the sense the queue is empty. Whatever the queue we have, the queue is the empty. We're able to check it. Fine. Next one. Not only that one, and another thing is the full also. We need to check the full. How we can check the full? Here rare equal to. Here how we can check it here? Public boolean is full. Public boolean is full. Fine. Here return rare equal to rare equal to. Here we should be in a position rare equal to size. Rare equal to size. Fine. Now here call the is full also. We should be in a position we need to call the is full also. How we can call? Here println q dot is full. No. Check this one. How we need to check it? Rare equal to size. Rare equal to size. Team, try this one. Is empty method, is full method. I'm requesting you please try that one. Is empty method and is this one. Try to check this one. These two things. One more thing is the, let me do the another thing. How to know the capacity? Public int size. Here we need to return what? Here we need to return what? Here we need to return the size itself. Whatever the size we have, that size we need to return. And call the size function also. We need to call the size function also. How we can call the size function? Whatever the size function we have, that size function we need to call. How we can call the size function? Println. Println, we need to call the size function q dot size. The size, I think initial size is the 5. So that is called as a size function. Next one, team, please try to do these three examples. Check full. Check full. Check capacity. Check capacity. Everyone, I'm requesting you check with the is empty, is full, and the size also. Anshika, we will check it. I have a question also, that questions I have. We will check it. Whoever completed, please do that one. Whoever completed, give the confirmation to me. Students, can I continue? Students, can I continue? How many operations we done? Enqueue operation, Dequeue operation, is empty, is full, size. Next one. Do the another thing. Display operation. How we can perform display operation? Here, public wide display. Public wide display. Here I try to say this one. Here how we can display. For int I equal to front. I less than rar. I less than rar. Next one, I plus plus. Now here we need to display. How we can display the element here? One, println q of I. Println q of I. Now call the display function. Here we need to call the display function. How we can call the display function? Q dot display. Q dot display. Automatically we're able to display it. Nothing now to display, nothing now. Here we don't have anything now. Come into the Dequeue code. We are able to display now. Whatever we have, we are able to display. From Dequeue code. Whatever the Dequeue code we have, that Dequeue code we need to comment. Comment the Dequeue code and go for the display function. Now, team, I'm requesting you, please do the display code also. Once completed, give the confirmation to me. I'm requesting you people need to give the confirmation. This is Uchu functionality. Scroll up now. Money, is it right money? Is this code right? Whatever you sent, money. Let me check it, money. You sent some code, no? Just wait here. Like what you done? Rare equal to size, print equal to. Okay, fine. Go to the display code. Let me scroll up. Then simply we need to call the function. Which function? Q dot to display. Q dot to display automatically. We are able to display the code. Let me download the example. Let me share the example to you. Whatever the example we have, we shared that example. And team, everyone, I'm requesting everyone, download the Java code and please practice that code. Anshika, say this one, Anshika. What is our problem, Anshika? Say this one. Here, this is the Anshika, say this one. This is the queue. Whatever we have, this is the queue. In this queue, this one we can call rare. This one we can call friend. Anshika, where we are inserting the element? Anshika, where we are inserting the element? We are inserting element at rare. From where we are deleting the element? Reply, Anshika. From where we are deleting the element? Front itself, na? From the front itself, we are deleting the element. At least, did you understand this diagram? Anshika, did you understand at least this diagram chart with me? You are saying like nothing. Now say this one. Anshika, you need to tell. Coming to yourself, you need to tell. Assume the capacity is the 5. This queue able to insert the 5 elements. Say this one. For example, element 1. This is the element 1. Next one, this is the element 2. Element 1, element 2. Next one, element 3. Element 3, element 4, and element 5. Anshika, what's the capacity of it? Tell me what's the capacity of it? 5. For example, you need to tell capacity equal to rate. What is the meaning? Anshika, what is the meaning? Capacity equal to rate. What is the meaning? Guess the meaning. Full. It's a full or not? Q is a full or not? Q is a full. Anshika, see this one another point. For example, front equal to rare. Front equal to rare. Both are the same. Front equal to rare. So what do you call? What do you call? Guess it. Q is. Anshika, tell me. Q is what? Q is empty. Is it right or not? Got it or not? Got it. Fine. How to insert the element? Here we need to insert the element here. Which element we inserted? 10. After inserting the element, you need to increment the rare value. Meaning here, whatever the 10 is there, that 10 we need to move here. Automatically, we need to increment the rare value. Insert where we need to insert the data? Rare. After inserting the data, what you need to do? What you need to do? We need to place the rare plus plus. Meaning is the element will insert successfully. Fine. Next one. And another thing. Where to remove the element? Front. How to remove the element? Front plus plus. Meaning is the element will remove from the front. Anshika, after the class, will you analyze the code? Will you analyze the code? If you understand the diagram, you are able to understand the code. Anshika. Yes. Now, guys, say this one. Here, we completed about stack completed. Next one is the queue also completed. Stack completed, queue also completed. Can I enter with the linked list with the ready-made methods? Can we enter with the linked list with the ready-made methods? Linked list. Can I enter with the linked list? Yes. How we can enter? Fine. Team, do you people know what is the linked list? What is the linked list? Previous node contain next node address na. previous node contain next node on address. Linked list in a sense, it's a combination of nodes. Nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3, number of nodes. Linked list in the sense, it's a number of nodes. Fine. Now connecting nodes, connected nodes. So previous node contain next node address. First node contains second node address. Second node contains third node, just like a railway engine. Just a connections. Then that one we can call the linked list. Nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3, number of nodes. See this one take. So this is the node 1, this is the node 2, this is the node 3, and this is the node 4, number of nodes are there. See this one. So this is the connection. Whatever we have this one, we can call the connection here. Whatever we have this one, we can call the connection again. Got my point or not? Simply this kind of thing we can call the nodes. Fine. Now, team, let me explain linked list with the predefined functions. Let me explain linked list with the predefined functions. Then after that, then we need to go for the coding itself. How to create an object to the linked list. We should be in a position we need to create an object with the linked list. How we can create a, try to see this one, linked list. Linked list. Linked list. In this linked list, we need to plus a string itself. Linked list equal to which one you wanted to place linked list. Linked list equal to, we should be in a position we need to place the new linked list. Automatically we are able to create object to the linked list. Fine. Here we need to add the elements. Add the elements. How we can add the elements again? How we can add the element here? List to dot add of. Add of. Here we should be in a position we need to pass the what is the first topic, arrays. Next one, list to dot add of. Add of. Here we need to pass the which one we need to pass strings. Next one, list to dot add of. Add of. Here which one we need to pass. Here we should be in a position queues. Next one, list to dot add of. Add of. Which one we need to pass linked list. Simply we should be in a position we need to pass the linked list. So how many elements are added? How many elements are added? We added the 4 elements. First one is the arrays. Second one is the strings. Third one is the, you can add it here, Gaddam Bharat. You can add any other thing, not an issue. Numbers also you can add it, not an issue. 10, 20, 30, 40, you can add it, not an issue. Fine. And the queues. Next one is the linked list. Next one, print the list. Whatever the list we have, this list we need to print. Try to print the list here, system.out.println of list. Fine. Say this one here. So the whatever the data we added, that add up, that data added here. Fine. Team, I'm requesting you execute the code up to now. Ready-made method. So then we need to go for our own method. Shubham, we will check it. Shubham, we will check it. Shubham, I got your question. We will check it. Shubham, are you there now? In the previous program, small bug is there. Then let me check it. Fine. And anyone. And one more thing is the how to add element at a specified position. How we can add list data. List dot add of where you want to add second position. What you want to add, we should run a position, we need to add the stacks. After adding, print the list again. Automatically variable to add at a particular position. Zero the position, first position, second position. Automatically variable to add it. Everyone able to do that one. Add element at a specified position. To add element at a specified position, then we need to go for the list dot add. And one more thing. How to add element at the beginning. List dot add first. Add first equal to basics. Fine. Next one. How to add element at last. We need to add element last. List dot add last. Add last equal to which one we need to place dynamic programming. Yeah, no. After that, print the list again. Here we should be in a position. We need to print the list again. Print the list again and run the code. Yes, basics added at the beginning and dynamic programming added at the end. Fun. Team, do this one also. Everyone needed to do it. Anyone completed? Once completed, give the thumbs up symbol. Once if you people completed, give the thumbs up symbol. Remove particular element. We need to remove particular element. How to remove particular element? List dot remove. List dot remove of which element strings. And so after removing, then I need to print it again. Strings removed successfully. And next one, remove particular index. How we can remove list data. List dot, we need to remove particular index. Remove of particular index is the 2. So 2 in the sense stack. We will remove automatically. Whatever we have, it removed automatically. Fine. How to remove first element and how to remove last element. We need to remove first element and we need to remove last element. How to remove it? Here, list to data. List to dot, which one? Remove first. Remove first. And the list to data. List to dot, which one? Remove last. Remove first, remove last. And we need to print the list again. Run the code again. Yeah, first will remove here and last also will remove here. Next one, how to get the element? We need to do, team, please do up to now. I'm requesting you people, please do up to now. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please do this one. And how to read the element also. We should be in a position. We need to read the element also. How we can read the element here? Yeah, here say this one. Here println. Println. Here we need to place list to data. List to data get. Get off which one we need to pass. Get off one. It's Q. Not only this one. Here I need to do the another thing here. Here we need to do another thing here. Which one we need to do? Get first. Get first. Next one is the here we need to do we need to do in a position to go for the get last. Get first we need to place it and get last also we need to get it done. It is taking too much time. Yes. So this is the get first. This is the get last. Fine. And one more thing. Let me do the last one here. Replace operation. How we can perform list to dot set of list to dot set of 1 comma hello. Do the replace operation and print the code again. Yes, hello will be there. Fine. Team, everyone, I'm requesting everyone, I need to share the code here. Whatever the code is there, I'm sharing the code. Then take the 10 minutes of time and export the code. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone. Take some time and execute all the predefined methods. Yes. I sent the recent code. Let's go through the code. Check that one team, whether you received or not, check that one. The file sent it here, download that file, and you people need to execute a predefined code. like the linked list with the ready-made methods. Not exam link, attendance link. Na? Just to drop on someone, just to drop and join after 10 minutes. Then you can get the attendance link. Drop yourself and join after the 10 minutes. Geomi, na? Someone joined with the Geomi. The index starts with Yogesh, the index starts with the 0. Someone named join with the Geomi mobile. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please execute the code up to now. All the operations. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone. Please execute the predefined code. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please execute the code. Once execute the code, then give the thumbs up symbol. Then I need to go for the manual code, not ready-made method. Then we should be in a position, we need to go for the manual code, like our own logic. Once completed, give the confirmation to my friends. Online people, please give the confirmation. Then I need to go for the one more example, manual code, not the predefined code. Then once a few people done, then we need to go for the manual code. No. Team, can I go to the one more example? Can I go to the manual code or can I wait? Like our own logic. Can I go through the one more logic? Reply. So manual code. So how we can write the manual code? For example, assume this one. This is the node 1 and this is the node 2. This is the node 2 and this is the node 3. Number of nodes are there. Node 1, node 2, node 3, number of nodes are there. Each node divided into two parts. Partition 1, partition 2. Partition 1, partition 2. Partition 1 and partition 2. Fine. First partition contain what? Data. Second partition contain what? Address. Whose address? Whose address? Next node address. Whose address? Next node address. And here also it contain what? Next node address. Then this one we can call the basic linked list. Fine. So is a linked list collection of nodes? Is a linked list collection of nodes? Say yes or no. Is a linked list collection of nodes? Yes. Each node divided into how many parts? Two parts. One is the data. Another thing is the address of next node. First one is the data here, and another thing is the address of the next node. Fine. How? And whatever we have, this one we can call the head node. Whatever we have here, this one we can call the what? Head node. Fine. And here whatever we have, this one we can call the last node. Fine. Last node in the sense, what is the address here? Address is the null. Address is the null or not? Null. So here last it contain the null. Fine. How we can do the coding here? We should be in a position, we need to do the coding here. I'm requesting everyone do the coding this one. This one along with me, very, very important. Fine. Is it a collection of nodes? Team, tell me, is it a collection of nodes? Yes, sir. How to create the node? Class node. Each node divided into how many parts? Two parts na. One is the what? Data. And another thing is what? Next node address na. Answer. Next node address na. Next node address. Here simply we need to press the next node address. How we can perform initialization? We should be in a position we need to perform the initialization. How we can perform? Here we should be in a position we need to take the public node. Public node, which one we need to place into data? Public node into data here. So this data we need to store to where the started data equal to the started data equal to we should be in a position we need to place the data, and the start next equal to here we should be in a position the start next equal to what you wanted to place null. So this is the node creation. Whatever we have, this is the node creation. Each node contain what? How many fields? Two fields. One is the data. Another thing is the next. These two fields we need to initialize. We should be in a position we need to initialize. How we need to initialize here? With the help of this one, not into here another node here. So here I try to say this one. Each node contain node divided into how many parts? Two parts. One is the data. Another thing is the node next. How we need to initialize with the help of constructor. Fine. Team, please do up to now. I'm requesting everyone do up to now. Initially, we needed to build the node. Everyone needed to do up to now. Once if you people done with the node, let me know. Then I will go for the coding itself. Adding the data and deleting the data, something we need to do. Can I create the class? Team, can I create the class? Reply, can I create the class? We should be in a position we need to create the class. How we can create the class? How we can create the class? At least one person needed to tell. How we can create one class here. So here class my linked list. Class which one? My linked list here. Fine. Create object to the node. Initially, we need to create the object to the node here. Node head node. Node head node here. Fine. Here, create one method. I need to create one method here. Which method? Add new node. Fine. How to create a method here? Here we should be in a position. Here public void. Which method? Add method here. Here what you wanted to place? We should be in a position into data here. Fine. Here, create object to the node. I'm requesting you people, after receiving the data, we need to create the object to the node. How we can create the object? Node. Which one? New node equal to here new node of which one we need to pass data. So automatically one node will create whatever the node we have, that node will create here. Fine. And another thing, for example, try to check the diagram. Head equal to null. What is the meaning? Head equal to null. What is the meaning? No node available. Whatever the node you created, that node is the first node. Say this one. For example, assume here. This is the null. It's not there. It's not there in the sense, what is the meaning? What is the meaning? Whatever the node you created, that is the first node. Yes or not? So you people need to do this one. How we need to handle here? If now say this one. If head node equal to null. So what we need to do? Head equal to which one you need to place? New node. Head equal to, we should be in a position we need to place the new node. For example, else condition. Nodes are there. How many nodes are there? 3 nodes are there. Here you need to add the new node here now. We need to add the new node here. How we need to add? First of all, take one temp variable. Inside the temp variable, we need to add head node. Inside the temp variable, we should be in a position, we need to add the water. We need to add the, inside the temp variable, we need to add the head. For example, we need to jump, say this one, from here to here. Jump here to here. Do we have any null here? No. And here we need to jump here. Do we have any null here? Yes, we have the null. If we have null, here we need to place, then we need to remove that null here. Instead of null, we need to add the new element. Is it right or not? Fine. So how we need to handle it? We need to handle it here. Here node. Say this one, node. Which node we need to take? One temp node we need to take here. Inside the temp node, what we need to add? A head node. Simply we need to add the head node here. Whatever the head node is there, that head node we need to place that. Jump from node to node. We need to jump from node to node here. How we can jump? While temp dot next. While temp dot next not equal to. Not equal to what? Null. While temp dot next equal to null here. We need to jump one node to another node here. How we can jump here? Temp equal to temp dot next here. Temp equal to temp dot next here. Here temp dot next equal to here we should be in a position, we need to place the, what we need to add? New node. Whatever the new node is there, that new node we need to add here. Fine. For example, simple guys, jump from one node to another node. This code is used to jump from one node to another node here. For example, if this condition is satisfied, new node added to at last. Here. For example, here I need to do the another thing here. Here, let me place the message here. Which message we need to place? Say this one here. Head node added successfully. Head node added successfully. And another thing, one more thing is the, here after that we need to add the another thing, else condition. Here we should be in a position, we need to press the else condition here. Which else condition? Println node added at end. Node added at end. And whatever the node is there, that the node added at end of linked list. At end of linked list here. Fine. Now call the add method. Whatever the add method is there, this add method we need to call it. Team, how to create object to the linked list? Anyhow, the tomorrow session I will repeat it again here. How to create object to the linked list? Can anyone help me? My linked list equal to what you wanted to place, list equal to new my linked list. Automatically we can create object to the linked list itself. Fine. Here we need to call the method. Which method we need to call? Add method. What you want to add? 10. Simply we need to add the 10 here. Run the code. Yes, head node added successfully. Now call the 20 again here. We should be in a position, we need to call the 20 here. Here what we need to add? 20. Node added at end of linked list. Fine. Here we need to add the 30 here, 40 here, 50. Simply we need to add the, here we should be in a position, we need to add the 20 we need to add. Next one is the 30 we need to add. Next one is the 40 we need to add. Next one is the 50 we need to add. Automatically we are able to add the data here. Yes. Head node created for the head node, what we added here? What we added 20, 30, 40, 50. Fine. Team, just to try to execute this code here, you people need to understand this logic here. Please execute it. Anyhow, in the tomorrow session, I need to explain the code again here. Fine. Just to do the addition functionality up to now. Whatever the additional functionality is there. For example, whatever the head node is there, that head node added to where? Temp node. We need to move to the end or not. End contain what? End contain what? Null. Null, not equal to null. For example, if this condition is satisfied, new node added to temp node end. Funny, you people need to understand this one. Go ahead, friends. Just to do the coding up to now. moving. Harsh Kumar, moving. Each node divide it into what? Divide it into two parts. One is the data and another thing is the address. Team, please do up to now. This link list code you people need to do it. Everyone. Team, anyone executed? Does anyone executed? Once executed, give the confirmation to me. Does anyone executed? Once executed, give the confirmation to me. Because no element, no, Anshuka, no element. No element in the sense null. Whoever completed, please raise the thumbs up symbol. Then I need to go for the another functionality. Whoever completed. Yes. Now see this one, minimize it. Fine. Now add the element. Can I continue? Can I continue? Add node at beginning. Fine. How we need to add the node at the beginning here? How we need to add it? Fine. Here to add node at the beginning, public wide, which one? Add first. Add first. Here we should be in a position we need to place the into data. For example, where we need to add here we at the first in the sense we need to add here or not. New node we need to add or not. New node we should be in a position we need to add here. Here we should be in a position we need to add. Very simple. Say this one. This is the new node now. New node dot next equal to what? Head node. Fine. Here how we need to add it up. Fine. Can you tell me team? Can you tell me how to create the new node here? Node which one? New node equal to here what you wanted to place new node of what data. Fine. Here try to say this one. Here very simple. Fine. New node dot next. New node dot next. Next equal to which node? Head node. Am I right or not? For example, this is the next part. New node dot next. New node dot next equal to what? Head node. Now this node will becomes as a head node now. How we need to do it? How we need to do it? We should be in a position we need to do it. Here see this one here. Yeah. Here we need to do it here. How we need to do it here? New node dot next equal to here we need to place the head itself. Head equal to here we need to place the head equal to which one? New node. Head equal to new node here, automatically we are able to place it here. Now here call the add first method. Whatever the add first method is there, that add first method we need to call it here. So how we need to call the add first method here? Here we should be in a position we need to create it. Head dot which one? Add first. Add first equal to we should be in a position we need to place the 5. What happened we will see. Now here println here we need to place the node added at beginning. Node added at beginning. Yes, whatever the node is there, that node added at the beginning here. So add first method. Add first method is used to add the node at the beginning itself. Now try to see this one. You people need to do it. Yes, I'm requesting you people add the node at the beginning. Just to revise this one, friends, and tomorrow anyhow I need to go for the detailed explanation, which is related to linked list. In the queue also one bug is there. Whatever the code explained here, it contains a small bug. Then I need to resolve that bug in the tomorrow itself. Fine. Whoever completed, please raise the thumbs up symbol. How many members are able to execute? Yes. Whoever completed, please analyze the code. Whoever executed, you can drop it. Let me download the code also. Now let me share the code also. Already shared the code. Shubham, already shared the code. Check the main chat. Shubham, check the main chat. Already shared the code. Please download the code. Team everyone, all the students, I'm requesting all the students, please download the code. I sent the code in the chat box. You people need to verify the chat box. Verify that one. Abhinav, tomorrow I will explain that one, how next function will work out. Please raise the hand. How many students completed this one? How many students are completed this one? Only one person. Please give the thumbs up symbol. How many members are able to finish? ఒక 5. Yeah, Amar, you can end the meeting, Amar.
Okay, sir. So, dear student, I already shared the attendance thing. If anybody missed on that, so I'm resharing that. So please mark your attendance and share your valuable feedback about the session. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.